Hey guys, what's up? Wade Bosch Iverson here. jobon1968. This is his box, a Sweet Shot 0607. He purchased it from me and went with the free shipping option. I just enjoy breaking boxes, so I'm always willing to do it at cost. If you're interested in purchasing a box from me, I love to break boxes for anyone, anytime, anywhere, anything. So he's got a box of 0607 Sweet Shot. Ooh. Sorry about that. Serial number, in case you can't see, is 322. So let's get started with the big cleaver. Alright, let's get going. Thanks for your order, and good luck to you, man. There we go. Never opened up 0607 Sweet Shot. Actually, never opened up any Sweet Shot before. So let's see. I believe there's 12 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Alright, there you go. It's empty. That's just the felt liner in there. Set that back there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, all 12 packs are there. Let's get started. You're going to have to be real careful with these. There's only 4 cards per pack, and it doesn't look like they put decoys in them, so the cards can bend real easily, so I'm going to be real careful with these, Jobon. Alright, Brad Miller. We got a Carlos Boozer, number to 199. Very nice. Set that to the side. Carmelo Anthony, Josh Childress. Looking for 4 hits per box, 2 memorabilia cards, plus 2 autographs. LeBron James, Kobe Bryant, Decoy, Michael Redd, Desmond Mason. This is Andrea Bargnani, went number 1 in this draft. Oop, we got an autograph. So slide that way. Jordan Farmar, autograph rookie, numbered to 799. Man, like the autographs from these. So the whole basketball thing. Jordan Farmar, numbered 405 out of 799, 26 draft pick. Alright, there we go. There's our first hit. Oop, we got a jersey card. Sorry about that. Vince Carter, numbered 22 out of 50. 22 out of 50. Nice piece of jersey there. One piece. It's looking like a warm-up, I think. Go ahead and flip the back on that. There's the back for you. Here's the back to the Jordan Farmar, in case you were looking for it. Okay. Alright, 2 hits down. 2 more to go. Let's keep opening. Base cut set looks pretty nice in here, I must say. It's pretty good. Alright, Dirk Nowitzki, Jamario Moon. Still looking for 1 more autograph and 1 more jersey card for you. Oop. It's an Andrew Bogut for you. Still haven't found a rookie card, but I will go back through just to make sure that there wasn't anything for you. Looking for a LeBron auto or something. This one feels pretty thick. Right, we got a Sweet Shot signature shots. This should be your veteran autograph. I believe you get 1 per box. It is. Well, Hakeem Warwick. There you go, Hakeem Warwick. Autograph. On ball. Flip it over. I don't believe that's numbered. Teamwork, not numbered. Alright, and looking for one more jersey. These are really tough packs to open, actually. Real rough. Alright, we got our last hit. I'm going to save that there for you. Drop it right there. Alright, open up this last pack. Get rid of the base. What a nice Brandon Roy rookie. I believe that's his rookie year, isn't it? Alright, and finally, your last pack. Luke Ridnour on top. Paul Pierce. We got a Richard Hamilton. And your final hit is... Oop, upside down. We get a Samuel Dalembert, Sweet Stitches, numbered 41 out of 50. Alright, so to recap the hits, the Samuel Dalembert, Sweet Stitches, 41 out of 50. We got the Hakeem Warwick, autograph on ball. It's nice that there's no stickers in here. Jordan Farmar, numbered 405 out of 799. We got the Vince Carter, Sweet Stitches, Sweet Shot jersey, numbered 22 out of 50. And we got the Carlos Boozer, looks like a goldish background, numbered 125 out of 199. Alright, man, I will ship those out to you shortly. Thank you very much. And look for my other box breaks.